The biggest thing through a whole remodeling process or a design process is really being open to suggestions and being open to things that maybe pull you outside your box. You know, you're going through this remodel, you've been in your space for however long you've been there, and you're used to it a certain way. And the thing that we're going to bring to the table as designers is we're going to present you with alternatives that might help with functionality, usability, or just help that design be elevated into something that, gives that wow factor or really makes that space your personal haven, or that spa look if we're doing a bathroom or something like that. So I guess the most important thing would be to just have an open mind through the design process. I've said before, have fun with it. This is your opportunity to really explore the creativity and really have a good time with doing something different, and let those designers maybe steer you a little bit outside your box and in a different direction, because that's really gonna just add that extra level of design and service to your space and to your design.